Hello. We'll be talking about habit, talking about culture today. Now, it's actually a way of life, how people feel the life, the world, or how people see humanity to be like. Now, we find ourselves in a society where everybody want to decide morals. Everybody want to give definition to terminologies that are strange, but this is not true. The normal sense, in a sane society, we find ourselves in an insane society, and you must make the difference. How do you go about making a difference in an insane society where everybody is loose? You start with owning your environment. Yeah, you start with owning your environment. How do you own your environment? Is to know what is truth from what is fact. Differentiate what is fact and what is true. Now, knowing what is true is essential because truth is different from fact. Truth is different from fact. Yeah. Truth is actually what backs up creation. What backs up the principle of creation is truth. What is real about creation. Why fact is what is real by agreement. Two, three persons can agree particular thing because of what they feel or because they are their minority opinion over a thing because they truly people who have facts truly develop their procedure. Imagine 10 of us can develop a procedure, follow the procedure, and they will come with the fact, come with the law. But to live a productive life and to be able to control your environment, you have to live beyond that. You have to go to the element called truth because the element called truth is what creates the world, what makes the world stand. That is the foundation of the world. That is truth. That's why God is the custodian of truth. And if we must lead well, we must go to God, and God will have to lead us and direct us on the right procedure to follow to attain this. That is why for you to say, I'm living right, is not just enough because right is affiliated with fact. You have to say because right can be attained by two, three, four, five persons agreement. You have to live beyond rights. You have to live beyond fact. You have to live on truth. That is why for you to be able to lead rightly, for you to be able to say, I know whom I believe and I know where I'm going, you have to start saying, I had to look for the truth. And the truth is found only in Jesus. I must say this, found only in Jesus. That means if you want to get the truth, you have to look for Jesus because Jesus is the only source to God, who is the creator. So that is why for you to become that productive leader, for you to lead those group, you have to start living it and continue talking it. I actually advocate in talking up, saying it, talking it, but I also strongly believe that it shouldn't just end there. It's living it. Living it, it's the best. That means after you sought after the truth, as in the scripture, you now live the truth. After a while, you see people coming trooping in, asking questions about the truth. Now, when they know the Bible said, you shall know the truth, and the truth shall make you free. That means first of all, you seek for the truth, you know the truth, then you move a step further by living the truth. Then another step further, the step further, the next step, you don't do it, is by the first and second step that you are able to attain to the what? To the next phase, which is bringing people to the knowledge of the truth. It's so essential. You must know that one of your work as a leader is to bring people to what you believe, which is truth. It's not by coercion, yeah, it's by conviction. Yeah, it's being able to communicate it right with your actions, with your words, and with your results. Yeah, it's very essential that as a leader, you must be able to communicate it well. Yeah, you must learn how to pass the information well. You may be a stammerer, you may not even be talking, but when you are able to display it well, fine. As far as the message is passed, now as a leader, you must also know your audience. People you want to influence, you must know them and know their body language, so that I can be able to carry them along in your journey. Thank you.